As I said last week, I'd show you how to make these hinges. Once you've watched a bit of it, you'll see how simple they are to make, and maybe you'll have a go as well. All right, we better get into it. The tin thickness for the hinges was about 1.8 millimetre, which made the lot harder to cut with the tin snips. But the other material on all the corners and edging was only about 0.8 mil. You can see sometimes why I'm struggling to cut this thick stuff. This is the block of wood that I formed the hinges on. The way I made it was I just set the steel on top of it and then drilled into the wood along the steel work so it was right at the edge. But the size of the drill I used was the diameter of the pin and 2 thicknesses of the actual tin, which I think came to about 8 mil.
I probably should have done 10 mil. Relieve the top part of it. So, put it in here, and let's use that. Here we are.
Now you see how easy it is to make these hinges. With the minimum amount of tools, you should be able to make them yourself quite easily. Now, if you like those hinge making, press the like and subscribe, and the comments. I'd like to see comments about it. Now these are a bit fancier than what you may initially attempt, but I wanted to do a fleur-de-lis, but I couldn't do it because it was too complicated to cut out. So this is the design that I came up with. I'm making rivet plates here to go on the back of the rivets. You put them on and then you rivet the end of the, or burr rivet the end of the rivet over so that it holds the plate in place and you can't pull the rivet out. Now, I made the rivets out of 4-inch nails and heated them red hot, and then let them cool slowly so that they were annealed and easier to form or rivet over. Same with the heads on the other side. I formed those over, and then when you put the pin through, you put the plate on, then you rivet over the rivet to hold the plate in place. that you've seen the making the hinges, and you want to see the rest of the making of the chest, look at the iron bound chest part 1 and part 2 if you want to see the rest of it. I'll see you next week.